Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. U.S. beef exports in October continued to build on previous year-over-year gains. Beef shipments into global markets totaled 235 million pounds, representing a 5.4% increase compared to October of 2012. Japan has been the largest U.S. beef customer in 2013, accepting 27% of all beef exports. Canada and Mexico round out the top three partners at 19 and 17% of shipments respectively. The year-over-year gains in U.S. beef exports now total 84 million pounds. Even more impressive than the 2013 gains in tonnage are the gains in U.S. beef export value. Year-to-date, U.S. beef and veal meat exports are worth $2.86 per pound, up 19 cents compared to 2012. The net increase, the result of the increase in tonnage and value, is an increase in demand that U.S. cattle producers experience for their beef in the global market. Overall, U.S. beef and veal export demand is up 7.6% in 2013. The most impressive year-over-year gains have occurred over the last 5 months, where demand has been up 15%. The largest monthly gain relative to 2012 came in August. However, demand increases of more than 10% remain through the latest data. The demand currently experienced for U.S. beef around the world will drop seasonally into March. However, beef export tonnage and value is expected to increase in 2014, creating a slight increase in global demand for U.S. beef and veal exports again next year. Export tonnage in some key export markets is expected to pull back in early 2014. But growth in other markets, such as Hong Kong, should lead to an export demand increase next year. Fed cattle prices were $1 to $2 lower this week. The South sold cattle for $131 per hundredweight. In the North, trade was established in the central and eastern portions at $130 live and $206 per hundredweight dressed. Western Nebraska and Colorado are still negotiating with packers. Feeder cattle prices were steady to $1 higher, while calf values were primarily steady. Slaughter cow prices were steady to as much as $2 higher, and supplies of feed yard replacement cattle and slaughter cows should decline through the holidays. Box beef trade firmed into late week. However, the overall trend was lower as holiday rib and tenderloin orders were completed and the recent winter weather weakened demand. Corn prices moved lower on the week as the record large crop weighed on the marketplace. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.